What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to look at Bitcoin versus Dogecoin. Which should you buy? Which shouldn't you buy? All that good stuff. Stick around. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt, and in this channel, normally all we do is invest $20 each and every week, and we watch it grow. This week, we're doing things a little bit different. We are looking at Bitcoin versus Dogecoin. And for those that have been living under a rock for the last, month, 2 months, however long, these two have been kind of going back and forth. Bitcoin obviously being the one that's been really taken off as of late. I mean, you can see this 3-month trend all the way going back. I mean, you can go 1 year, you can even go 5 years, all the way back to when it was like $400. It shot up, it shot down, shot back up again, all that good stuff. So Bitcoin was created in 2008. And it was released in 2009 as an open source software. The idea behind it was to eliminate paper money as a whole. Now Bitcoins, remember guys, are not backed by any banks or governments, and the same can be said for Dogecoin. So there's a limited amount of Bitcoin in the world at roughly 21 million. So there is no more. That's not necessarily the same that's said for Dogecoin, because I believe with Dogecoin, about 5.2 million is released into the market each and every year. And the market cap for Bitcoin is around 1 trillion. So that's if you were to take all the Bitcoins in the world, they would come up to about 1 trillion. So as it sits right now, we can see with it being live, it's anywhere between 35,000 to upwards of about 40,000. So one of the reasons with Bitcoin that I feel like we've already missed the boat is, even if Bitcoin, let's say, were to skyrocket and go to 100K, you're looking at somewhere around a 2.5x multiplier or 2.5x return on your money compared to, any other stock or any other growth stock that you could really invest your money in and probably get a better return. So in my opinion, I feel like a lot of us have missed the boat. Like if you were to say, 3 months ago, when it was at 18,000, 10,000, even a year ago when it was at 7,000, 8,000, that would have been the premier time or the best time to invest in Bitcoin. Again, right now, it's just too high. You put $100 in, it goes to 100K, great. You're going to be getting about $150 return when you could have put it in something else that had some substantial growth. So that's one of the reasons why I am not necessarily out on Bitcoin, but I just don't have, I just don't want to put any of my money into Bitcoin. So as we look at Dogecoin, we see that Dogecoin sits at just under 1 cent per share or per coin, however you want to define it. As we look at Dogecoin, it was created more as a spoof, and it has since gained ground. So it was created somewhere around, I want to say 2013, 2014, and it was created by 2 software engineers, and the logo is a Shiba Inu dog. So that's kind of like the meme that it was created from, and it's very similar to Bitcoin, but it just has more upside, and with that, more risk than Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin is already risky AF, but I just feel like Dogecoin, with it being less than a penny, I mean, if you were to put $100 into Dogecoin right now, you get about 10,000 coins, or between 10 and 11,000 coins. And it's just, it's sketchy as well, but it's worth a flyer. So Dogecoin's market cap is under $2 billion. So again, if you were to take all the Dogecoins in the world, add them up, you're going to get under 2 billion compared to Bitcoin's 1 trillion. So Dogecoins have no cap on the number of coins in existence. And as a matter of fact, again, each year they're putting more and more coins into the market, where Bitcoin is already capped with a certain number of coins in the market. So when we look at the two, really, Bitcoin is more stable, and it's more comparable to gold in the fact that it's going to be the currency of the future. It's something that could gain even more ground as time goes on. And you know what? This might be something that you could throw in your portfolio just to be more diversified. So some people buy silver, some people buy gold, some people buy Bitcoin. might be worth it for you. Where Dogecoin, it's got all the upside in the world, as I touched on. Again, $100 is going to equate over 10,000 coins. Why not? Why not take a flyer on something like this? Again, if you were to put $100 in it and it were to go to $1, I mean, you're talking 10 grand, between 10 and 11 grand off that $100 investment. So again, it's got all the upside in the world. If you're going to spend $100 on it, I mean, you spend $100 probably going out to eat each month, or you spend $100 on cable, or you spend $100 on something else that's frugal and you don't really need. Or Dogecoin might actually be worth trying to flip or swing trade or day trade. I mean, really, it's all up to you. Again, this could be something that you could add to your portfolio to really make you more diversified as well. If you said I wanted to put the majority, or if you wanted to put my entire portfolio into either Bitcoin or Dogecoin, I would put it into Bitcoin because it just seems more stable compared to Dogecoin. But if you said, hey, if you wanted to take a flyer on someone that had more upside, it's going to be Dogecoin. So if you were looking back at 2016, Dogecoin was at what, 0.0002, and now it sits at 0.009. I mean, it is up significantly since then, like 45 times. But in the end, guys, you got to do what's best for you. You invest whom you want to invest in, and whether it's Bitcoin, whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's both, it's up to you. That's going to do it for today, guys. As always, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts were on this Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. Who are you buying? Who are you not buying? Let me know. Take care. Have a great week. Happy trading to you. We'll see you next week.